Hey everybody, thanks for watching. It's use it or lose it. So let's find out what's going on in the garden this week. The herb that I'm going to work with this week is the stevia. I don't even know how to say it. I'd love to hear what you guys do with this. If you use it fresh or if you dry it. I'm going to go ahead and dehydrate it and try to powder it. I have no idea how that'll go. And I might try some fresh this week too. Look at these beautiful lilies. They have just grown and expanded over the years. So pretty. So I'm not going to lose these this week. I'm going to cut some and put them inside along with my pretty blooming lavender too. So flowers are something that you can either use or lose. The big news this week are these raspberries. And we have had so much rain here the last couple days. These guys are ready to go. So I have a lot of picking because they're everywhere through here. Now, I can already see that some of them are a little overripe and I'm probably going to lose. But never fear, the chickens will love these things. This is a fun time of year. Look at this stuff. Have a lot of greens. So remember, I'm not freezing right now, but I do need to get some of this put in the refrigerator for fresh salads and just to use so it's ready for when we do sauteed greens. A lot of this, especially the ones that are going to seed, are going to go out to the chickens so that I'm not losing anything this week. Can you see? Getting some pickles. These little guys I eat fresh on my salads, so I am so excited to see those. This is Lily's U-pick section. Disgusting. These ought to be ready the next time. I like giving them the leftovers instead of me having their leftovers if they get in the garden. These raspberries are going to go in the freezer, so I'm just going to quickly wash them and I'm going to strain them. They make a yummy jam too if you are more inclined to preserve them that way. And I'm putting them on some wax paper and I'm going to freeze them on the tray. Some of them are a little mangled. Just for a few minutes so that they don't smush together in the bag when I freeze them. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you the next time. Have a great week.